Let's look at the palette on first launch. After installing the palette project, launch Revit and then open any Revit document. Confirm sample palette is loaded. If it's not loaded, go to the menu, BIMGrove ribbon tab. Click Launcher button to show a list of available palettes. Select the sample on the list and click Open button. Sample palette is pre-loaded with buttons for feature demonstration purpose. You can make your own palette. The palette can be docked either left or right like any native Revit panel. Test it to undock and redock. On Action tab of the palette, click Open Sample button and this will open a sample document. Let's start testing the palette with the core function, which is placing families. In Palette, click Document tab, then click Basic Wall button to reveal its available types. Click Generic 12-inch and place the wall by drawing a rectangle room. While the command is still active, click on Other Types. Notice that you do not need to press Escape button on the keyboard between commands. With the command still active, click Window Double to display its available types. Then select 26 by 42 and place the windows on the walls. You can continue selecting different types as needed without restarting the command. The current button behavior cancels out any existing command when a new button is clicked. On the right side of the buttons is the favorite icon, which will pin the button to the top. In the palette footer, there are options to sort the button list. Search function is also available. Open the Template tab and click Mechanical Equipment. The first time you click this button, the family will load in the background. Once loading is complete, click Mechanical Equipment again to expand its available types, then select the 24 by 24 by 12 type. Place one equipment, and while the command is still active, click another type. Activate the Folder tab. The Folder tab loads individual family files from a specified folder. Click the plumbing fixture type and place it on the drawing. The first time you click this button, the family will load in the background. The Custom tab contains buttons that are manually configured and tailored for your needs through parameter settings. The Action tab is also a custom format tab, and each button has its own unique parameter settings. Let's play with one Action button. Click the Action tab, then click Apply Filter button. On the Select Filter dialog box, select Equipment from the list, and click OK button. Now select Architectural Plan, or maybe all the view templates by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Then press OK button. What happened there was that the Action applied Equipment Filter to all the selected sheets. The Equipment Filter has green color override applied to it, and it changed the line weight to 3. You can find the rest of buttons function in the documentation, or you can explore them on Editor panel, which will be the topic for next video.